It's time to play Roblox. Boop. 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 Oh no. Alright. Oh no, we got the trashy in that rope. Casey. We got the trashy into that Casey. For you, man. Bro, really, man? You didn't give me white. If you're in the water, that means you're in the white team. No, please, Jimmy, please. Give me the white. Give me the white. Give me the white. Please, if you don't give me the white, bro, I'll tell you. At least you don't need any help, right? It's already been 2 minutes. Told ya, it's already been 2 minutes. Yeah, please give me white. No, tweet bird. No, I don't. How did I get black in a row? 2 times. It's still showing up. The better saver. Then you do that. Just please give me white. No, you'll die. Please give me white. Yes! Yes! Finally, man. While I was gone, I have now 2 rocket boosters. You heard that right. See? I didn't spend Robux. I just bought it from here. Like, you know it. And I'm gonna buy this again to have this motor. But I'm not gonna have the red one. This is stress. Oh, hello. Hey, yo, man. That's sick. But it's even more sicker if we had these things. Yes. Now let's save again to make it faster. Of course. Oh no. Frank boat. There, that's all we need. Oh. And then there, save. There's no white showing on it. Close that. Look. Off that. Off! That's what I told ya. Good afternoon, good evening, and goodbye. I'm singing a peaceful song, guys. Is it cool? At least you that. Bro, please can you off? Bro, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you gonna do? About 2 rocket boosters. How about that? But we take that back. This is kind of annoying. Please fly and flip there. It flipped me over. No, there. Peaceful. Nobody can disturb me. Oh, what you doing, bro? This thing is trash. We don't even need that, bro. Wait, what? Nope. Yep, Toddy and Frank live here. Woo! Una, I'm glitched. It will be more fun if I made something happy. Like, what about other things? We are close to buying these. Tok 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 tok. Your poops are noisy. I'm speedrunning, bro. No, let's fix that. This gotta be floating in the air. There. And done. Now this looks like another portal, so let's delete that. I didn't even know. Was that an ice cream truck? Or am I just hearing things? Now let's wait. What is plastic better? Let me compare it. Plastic. White chosen. Ooh, but each two blinding. but it's perfect though. That means I am restart my progress. Oh well, I got to restart my progress. I wish I can just replace like Minecraft. I cannot spin run. It's like we're painting paint, spraying paint. And that. Now this looking bossing, man. This look bossing. And then you do that. And then, okay. Then we do this. And do this. And we'll just use plastic for the rest. Okay. This will be hard to make later. Because this is a private jet, alright? It may look like a something random, like a stranger would build. Yeah, that's a stranger what is gonna paste in. Bro, that even didn't line up until I noticed. Please climb me up! Oh my god, there's some trap. Why can I not have a speed coil and a jump pad coil? This is the most sandy thing. It's just a square, so see, it's just a square. You need to put this down so it will look like a nether portal. Well, though it looked like a nether portal, please don't hate. Do not hate. Or else I can do everything else by just coloring. There, and now the sides. Wait, what? Why did I color it already? This bossing. Cover that. We are not having red parts. And then now we'll just use that later. I'm just gonna add that to our I'm chilling. What do you think? There. That is gonna be the boosters. Now let's patch this up. And we got no more bricks. It looks like it's time to grind. But we just use the rooftop as plastic. Okay, it's super rare plastic. I just have 200 of them. Now it's 200. And then color that in. We're not gonna have red parts or pink parts. But let's color that. Ooh, that's looking bougie. Like this. Ooh, nice. And then let's cover and patch this up. And now we use plastic. It's a private jet. That doesn't look like a private jet to me. I sound weird. Next one, we're gonna build the outlines. We are gonna use all of this plastic. I don't even care if I use all of it, because I have 200. They say, how about we just use, no, don't make me all up. That again. Plastic. There. Now we see how many plastic we got. Even though we, I don't know. Do not concentrate clicking blocks, man. Ooh, this fits. Alright. And we will make a doorway. How big is door? Wait, what? Who is that? Who said na? Door. No. And use this. It's gonna be regular. Blue. Right. That looks much better. Plastic. Where are you? Oh no. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? No! Java. No, you not really. Let me just color in, so I won't keep coloring in. Now this. Now the floor. We are not having white part, pink parts. Except I'm not gonna color the door. The door looks cool. I like that color. But let's go for Nico color. Oh yeah, that looks like Nico's onesie. And for Cass, a red carpet. There. Why do I have that? No. Now for red. I like both those colors. Hey yo, I missed something. There. And done. And then we're just gonna color this inward. If this runs out, I'm gonna save it and keep grinding on. Tayo. Isaba. I don't have that much glass. I don't have a stack. Like 64. I don't know. I don't have a stack. Get it tayo. I only got 8. What? Do I only got 8? Let me see again. Glass 8. Told ya. Glass. Then back to this. Nakati pa. Sapper. How's it going? Oh no, I'm gonna run out. I'm gonna run out. Car. Wait, got this up. And now for glass. 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 I mean, that for 1, 2. Yeah, oh yeah. No, why do I place that in? Now that's a little dirty. Let's go for that so we can see well. But we go with blue. Ooh, you can go with this. It's like a movie theater. Ayo, nice. Like a movie theater. Why do you keep getting distracted? Plastic. Plastic. Plastic is so boring. Plastic painting. It's gonna go super fast once I'm done with it. Huh? Why does this look now a truck? I didn't make a truck. I didn't make a truck, guys. Okay, let's just make it a truck. Okay, let's delete that. How about we just do that later and color all of it in? Now let's color that in, all of it. I'm not gonna have pink parts. Or magenta. Or blue. But there's a little blue. And red. Okay. But no girly colors. Okay, what? Why didn't I cover this? Now you're getting distracted. Oh no! Oh no! It's okay. Oh no. Oh. Now for these. No, we're not gonna have these. Of course. How about let's make a cool roof pattern so it looks more cozy. There. Then we add the red here. And then add the red here. And then add the blue here. Nice. I cannot see the rocks ahead. Wait, let me see that. It's just clear. And I look down. Oh, it's black rocks. We are just gonna add this yellow for toast miner. Oh yeah, I can see now. Shady. Now how about the background is just gonna make it smaller, bro. And then door. Why did I spell do? Man, this is doo-doo. Air. Oh, that's what I'm thinking. I'll color that white. There. Okay. The part is finished. Except we're gonna add the turbines. If we have no turbines, it will just go straight with this. And I will not move. So that's a bad thing. So let me just add the turbines. Oh, right. I forgot to add the cars. I mean the wheels. Alright. Time to put the wheels on. Get that. Look. And don't forget to cover that. And whoop. There. No, not there. There. Now let me color it black. So it blends in with the vehicle color. And let's color that Nico 1G and Cass 1G. Does it look good? Ooh, it does. Okay, we're gonna have an interior to this thing. We got plenty of space. Although, we don't have plenty of space. Too bad. Get this thing. Please get this thing out of the way. Okay. Oh, there's a spring. Oh no. I don't know. There. That took a while. But we're gonna use force fields. Oh, why can I not? I will just force this thing in. This. Alright, that's okay. No. And let's open that, and that's where we're gonna... Bro! Now I'm a force field. But we add the force fields somewhere around here. There is not plenty of space, bro. Now let's add the plastic I was talking before. Oh, seeing the shady color again. Color that in. And done. Hey, what do you mean done? Let me just add a few couple touches to make it look like a vehicle. Okay. How about we add Zoe? Is this magenta? Okay, that's magenta. And oh no, there's no Mia color. Well, I'm gonna add a Mia color. Why didn't they add orange? Oh. Oh. Now that looks like doo-doo. Now that looks like a skin color. You know. Now that we got orange, that for a while too. How about balloons? Balloons, bad news. Balloons are bad news. Oh. Whatever. Do not click the jets, okay? No, don't call. The city's gonna control all of it. And we don't. We have force fields. Okay. And then let's add a jetpack for last resort on top. Casses and Nico. Let me color it less. That and that. Okay, what? Now that this definitely blending for the Nico 1D. Now lay that down. Oh no, it overlaps. There. Nico 1G. Okay. It's a last resort. And then I don't know what this is for, so let's just use it for our last resort too. Do not fall. Do not quickly fall, right? And then the truck is gonna work so well. Wait, let me add the pathways.